So here's the Chinese crimper. You see these on eBay and Amazon. They're like 200 bucks. I would recommend getting the one that has the different dies, because the dies are kind of pricey to buy by themselves. These are the the insulated dies. They work good for insulated terminals like this. Obviously, make sure you get good quality. These are like Molex. If you get cheap terminals, they're not going to crimp good. The metal's really thin. Depends on what your budget is for your project. This came with a fitting that was 8mm quick connect. I couldn't find 8mm tubing, so I just unscrewed it and put a normal air fitting in there. I forget what these are. 3/8, I think, or no, quarter. These are 1/4 inch. You know what they are. So I'm running about, I think, 60-70 psi at the tank, which is a lot, but you're gonna get pressure drop through the hose. This clear vinyl tube is only rated for like 55 psi, and I don't know, to me that even seems like a lot. What I'm gonna do is put a pressure regulator. I'm gonna build a bench, put a pressure regulator on the bench so you can adjust it real time. I did notice there's an in and an out and an exhaust in there. So the in pushes it down and then the out actually pushes it back up. What else? So, well, I took off that shielding, or no, on the foot pedal there was a shielding. I took that off. It might actually be safer to have it off depending on how big your foot is. So it's up to you. If you oil this right away, it's going to make it perform like 10 times better. It was all, like, struggling at first. I put some WD-40 in this hole, and then I just drained it all over. You can see it dripping. That helped a lot. And then when you crimp it, actually hold it for like 1 Mississippi and then let go. I notice if I just go like that, it doesn't really, it doesn't have as much power. It doesn't crimp it all the way. And then you would probably want to adjust your pressure for every type of connection. So yeah, so far it's working pretty good. I mean, I'm doing a little production job, and it's already $200 is already worth it in my mind. In fact, I might buy 2, and then you don't have to keep switching the dies. So yeah, I mean, see how long it holds up. There's not really a lot of better options out there until you start getting into the very expensive range. But yeah, surprisingly it works. It seems a little dangerous, especially with I don't really like the vinyl tubing. Maybe put some sheathing over this or something. Other than that, it works pretty good.